Greetings, welcome to my wave to water conversion device. Let me quickly explain the components that we have here. First off, we have two anchors, a left anchor and a right anchor, and these both contain a pulley at both ends, 1 and 2. These two pulleys then are attached to two floats, a right hand float and a left hand float. At the bottom between the two anchors, we have a double acting piston. Now the double acting piston works like this. As one buoy goes up, pulls one way, the other one goes down, pulls in the opposite direction. So as the waves are passing, each buoy is moving to a different height. So we can see here that we have an outlet valve here, an outlet valve here, and a non-return inlet valve on both sides. Now the reason for using this dual system as opposed to a single system is that if you have a single buoy, which is called a point absorber, and it is connected directly to a pump, so as it goes up and down it displaces the piston, you still need to have a very strong return spring to pull the piston back down and reload the pump. So when the wave passes by, the cord pulls on that pump, it pushes the water out, and then the spring has to return it. In this system, that return action is accomplished by the second buoy. This not only means that the pump works on both stroke directions, it also means it has no return springs, and that reduces the load on the anchors to the left and to the right. Setting up this system is quite easy. What you do is you drop one anchor, drop the second anchor, and then adjust the position of the piston so it is equally positioned between the two. This pump, of course, is mounted to the ocean floor, so it won't move backwards and forwards. And so that's essentially the way it works. So now we'll just skip to a animation showing the way the system works. Of course, up here, this representation, shows how the waves are moving past the two buoys. Now, the spacing between the two buoys is equal to 1/2 of the wavelength. And that's essentially how it works.